I'm repairing the foam on this driver's seat on this Chevy 2500. So what I do is add some of this foam. It's white foam. It's not very dense like this yellow foam. This is what I had. So I made it a bit larger, so when the seat wraps around it, the new seat cover, it'll compress and contour to the same shape, similar to this. And what I use to fasten it to the other foam is using hot glue. And there's one strip at the bottom here, and that's all glued and crunched in with glue. And then use a couple smaller pieces to make this contour. Might look not good and like it wouldn't work, but once the seat compressed against this white foam, it really can just compress to the contour of this yellow foam that's already here. So just use my hands, make sure it feels like it'll be the same shape. And then you're not replacing this entire seat cover and just replacing this little part by adding new foam. And you can cut out this old foam using a knife, X-Acto knife, and then just gluing it, and then putting your new seat cover on. And then you won't have a ripped seat with a big hole in it anymore, because these Chevy seats are always ripping from your legs going in and out of the truck here. Just really wears them out.